Growing my social following used to eat up my entire day, until I found Autobuzz. Let me show you how I use it. So I'm browsing YouTube and I spot this trending video in my niche. Perfect opportunity to get my profile noticed. Instead of spending 15 minutes crafting the perfect comment, I just select my comment type and click this button. Autobuzz will create the perfect comment for me to get noticed. Watch as he analyzes the video content. Look at him go. He's picking up the key points way faster than I ever could. And just like that, a perfectly crafted comment that sounds exactly like me. One click to post, and my profile is in front of thousands of potential customers. Now for Instagram, I found this amazing carousel post. I click extract, and Autobuzz instantly pulls all the text from every slide so I can create my own inspired version. And my favorite part? I just save profiles I like, turn on auto comment. And Autobuzz finds viral posts from people I follow without ever double commenting. Everything I do is synced to my dashboard, so I can see all my comments and actions in one place, and even create my own custom ones to reflect my brand. Autobuzz is literally like having a social media team. I spend minutes commenting, but the results keep working for me 24/7.